Looking for an honest Bluehost review 2026? If you're wondering whether Bluehost is worth it, which Bluehost plan you should buy, or if it's still one of the best WordPress hosting providers, this video will answer all your questions. But before you visit the Bluehost website, click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. This special Bluehost link automatically applies the latest promotional pricing, which is often lower than the price shown on the official homepage. Right now, the one-site plan starts at just $1.99 per month, including a free domain for the first year, free SSL certificate, CDN, AI website builder, and more. So, is Bluehost still worth buying in 2026? After testing the latest Bluehost hosting plans and features, I'd say yes, especially if you're building a WordPress website. Bluehost has done a great job balancing beginner-friendly tools with advanced hosting features. You get the familiar cPanel for complete control, while the modern Bluehost dashboard makes it easy to manage your website without any technical knowledge. Their new Wondersuite AI website builder also helps beginners launch a professional website much faster. When it comes to pricing, Bluehost sits in the middle of the market. It isn't the cheapest hosting provider, but it offers excellent value. Every plan includes a free domain, free SSL certificate, CDN, weekly backups, malware scanning, DDoS protection, and 24/7 support. If you're creating your first blog or business website, the one-site plan is more than enough. However, if you're planning to grow multiple websites or run a business, I recommend the Business Essentials plan because it includes additional security, malware removal, phone support, domain privacy, and much higher resource limits. Performance is another reason Bluehost continues to be one of the most popular WordPress hosting providers. All plans now use NVMe SSD storage, which delivers faster loading speeds than traditional SSD hosting. Combined with built-in caching, a free CDN, and WordPress optimization, Bluehost delivers excellent everyday performance. Websites typically load in under 2 seconds, uptime stays around 99.98%, and the platform is reliable enough for blogs, business websites, affiliate sites, and small e-commerce stores. While some competitors offer light-speed servers and a few extra optimization tools, Bluehost still provides more than enough performance for the majority of website owners. Security is also well covered. Bluehost includes malware scanning, DDoS protection, free SSL certificates, and automatic backups, while higher plans add malware removal, web application firewall, WAF, and domain privacy. Customer support is available 24/7 through live chat, and business and e-commerce plans also include phone support, making it easier to get help whenever you need it. So, what's my final verdict in this Bluehost review 2026? If you're a beginner, blogger, affiliate marketer, freelancer, or small business owner, Bluehost remains one of the best WordPress hosting providers available today. It's easy to use, performs well, includes useful AI tools, and offers excellent value with its current introductory pricing. The only downside is that renewal prices are higher than the introductory rates, so I always recommend choosing a longer hosting term to maximize your savings. If you've decided Bluehost is the right hosting provider for your website, click the first link in the description or scan the QR code to automatically activate the latest Bluehost discount and promotional pricing before the offer changes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more hosting reviews,